In this video, you're going to see over 25 woodworking projects that are absolutely dominating sales in 2026. But listen up, this isn't just another random list of ideas thrown together on the internet. What you're about to see is a window into a reality where your hands create and the market pays you for it. Every single project that appears on your screen isn't just a piece of wood, it's a real opportunity. For income, for freedom. To do something meaningful that actually puts cash in your pocket. So I'm asking you right now, stick with me until the very end. Because project number 14 or maybe number 21 could be the exact one that changes the trajectory of your life. Maybe you're thinking, that looks great, but I've never done anything like this in my life. You don't need to. Most people making money with woodworking today started with zero experience. Just simple step-by-step plans, basic tools, and a willingness to learn. You don't need an expensive course. You don't need a professional workshop. You don't need tons of free time. You need a clear starting point, and that makes all the difference. And speaking of starting points, I have a gift for you. If you stay until the end of this video, I'm going to give you something that will help you start from scratch and take your first real step. Stick with me. Floating shelf with cable management. Simple, clean, elegant, but what it really sells is control. Cable clutter solved. That makeshift home office transformed. Build it with a built-in cable channel, a monitor stand, and a USB cutout. Every single detail is an argument to charge a premium price. Charcuterie board, a set table, cheese, wine, and right in the center. A premium hardwood board engraved with the family name. That's not just a product, it's the centerpiece. It's the piece everyone takes pictures of. Use contrasting woods, elegant handles, and a juice groove. Every variation is a new sale. And the profit margin. Custom cutting board. It seems simple, and it is, but that's exactly why it sells so much. When you add a family name, a special date, or their home state map, you turn a kitchen utensil into a memory. Use maple, walnut, or cherry. And remember, every personalization is a different sale. Custom wood sign. Words carry weight. Engraved in wood, on the wall of a house, they become part of that home. The family's favorite quote, a guiding Bible verse, the kids' names with their birth dates. You aren't just making a sign. You're creating something that will be looked at every single day for years. Wine rack and cellar. In the US, wine is a lifestyle, and a handcrafted wine rack on the living room wall doesn't just store bottles, it makes a statement. Make wall-mounted and countertop versions, add space for wine glasses, engrave the family name, combine dark wood with metal accents. It's the perfect gift for weddings, anniversaries, or corporate clients. Wooden bath tray. Self-care is a multi-million-dollar industry in 2026, and this tray is the physical symbol of that. It turns an ordinary bath into a ritual. It holds the book, the wine glass, the candles. Make it with non-slip grips, a slot for Tealights, and an engraved quote. It's the kind of product that blows up on Pinterest and flies off the shelves. Solid oak book stand. Readers are passionate, and passionate people pay well. This slanted stand turns any reading session into an experience. Engrave the person's name, add a carved detail. The reading niche in the US is massive, and almost no one is tapping into it with handcrafted woodwork. Wooden wall clock. Every room has a clock. The question is whether it's going to be cheap, soulless plastic, or a piece that transforms the wall. The clock mechanism costs about $3. The wood, maybe $10. The final product, with an impeccable design, it can sell for $150 to $200. Now that is a real profit margin. Ladder shelf. It doesn't take up much room, but it grabs all the attention in the space. It organizes, decorates, and doesn't need to be mounted to the wall. It's perfect for renters. And in the US, there are tons of people living in small apartments who want a beautiful space. This shelf solves both problems. Rustic wood frame mirror. You buy the mirror cut, you build the frame. And that's where the magic happens. The arch shape is trending hard right now, so is the oversized square. Take great photos, listed on Etsy with the right keywords. Every bedroom needs a mirror, but not every mirror has a soul. And if you're enjoying what you're seeing, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Every week I drop new content to help you build, learn, and make real money with woodworking. Oh, and that gift I promised you? It's a completely free ebook with 50 beginner-friendly projects, step-by-step plans, exact dimensions, all ready to go. The link is right down in the description. Go ahead and download it now while the video keeps playing. Wall-mounted key holder with hooks. Small, quick to make, and with an insane conversion rate on Etsy, it solves a problem everyone has. But don't just make the basic model. Add a small shelf for mail. Engrave the family's last name. Use metal or ceramic hooks. Nobody wants to hang something ugly right by their front door. Candle holders and tealight stands, coziness, that's what you're selling. That exact moment, the candle is lit and the stress fades away. Make them in rustic blocks, geometric shapes, or sets of 3 sizes. Sell them in bundles. Because whoever buys one beautiful candle holder rarely stops at just one. Custom jewelry box. What we keep in jewelry boxes isn't just gold, it's memories, it's family heirlooms. With a soft velvet lining, well-thought-out dividers, and a name engraved on the lid, you create a vault for emotions. It's the ultimate product for baby showers, birthdays, or Mother's Day. All year round. Always. Personalized kids. Step stool. There is something that melts any American parent's heart, seeing their child's name engraved on something crafted with care. This 2-step stool isn't just furniture, it's love taking shape. It's the gift that shows up in the first birthday photo shoot and stays in the bedroom for years. Keepsake Memory Box, little notes, photos, tiny objects that mean nothing to the world but mean absolutely everything to one person. Is that box going to be an old shoebox or a piece of premium hardwood with an engraved name and an elegant clasp? When you elevate the container, the contents become sacred, and sacred commands a high price. Sports fan wooden sign. In the US, sports aren't a hobby, they're a religion. A sign featuring the team's colors, the favorite player's number, and the fan's name doesn't sell decor. It sells belonging. NFL, NBA, MLB, college sports. Every single sport is a niche. Every season is a massive wave of sales. Custom pet sign. Americans don't just have dogs and cats, they have 4-legged family members. A sign with the pet's name, breed, and adoption date isn't a small niche. It's a multi-billion-dollar market. Make raised dog bowl stands, door signs, or memorial plaques. Each product taps into a different emotion. Raised garden bed. The pandemic planted a seed in Americans, the desire to grow things, to have fresh herbs, to know exactly where their food comes from. This treated wood planter solves all of that. Build it in different sizes. Add engraved plant markers, and watch sales skyrocket in the spring when Americans wake up and head out to the garden. Vertical wall planter. Little space, massive style, it climbs up the wall and multiplies the greenery without taking up any floor space. In small apartments in New York, Chicago, or LA, it's the exact solution people have been looking for. Take photos with gorgeous plants, pin it on Pinterest, and watch the product market itself. Decorative birdhouse. There is something incredibly nostalgic about birdhouses. They bring back childhood, they bring back simplicity. And that is exactly why they sell, not for the birds, but to decorate a porch, to gift someone who loves gardening, or to add charm to an outdoor space. The details are what turn a basic craft into art. Magnetic knife holder with epoxy resin. This product went totally viral, and for good reason. Solid wood, combined with colored epoxy resin, creates an unforgettable look. Ocean blue, forest green, golden amber. It sits right on the kitchen wall, seen every single day, sparking a conversation with every guest. It doesn't just hold knives, it's the centerpiece of the kitchen. Kitchen countertop organizer. The kitchen is the heart of the American home, and an organized countertop isn't a luxury, it's mental health. Tiered compartments, light-colored wood, engraved spice names. Think about the person who cooks every single day. This product is made specifically for them. Decorative tray for the living room and bedroom. It organizes without looking like it's organizing. It turns any flat surface into a designer setup. Make it with leather or metal handles, engrave initials, sell it as a set. Because anyone buying a beautiful tray always ends up wanting more. Minimalist home office desk. Working from home is here to stay. A floating solid wood desk with live edges isn't just furniture, it's a style statement. It's the backdrop for every Zoom call. The American working from home invests in their workspace just like they invest in their career. Floating nightstand. It hovers on the wall, no legs, zero visual clutter. It frees up space and elevates the entire aesthetic. Build it out of walnut or white oak with matte black metal poles and take incredible photos. Because this product sells itself on the image before a single word is read. Entryway storage bench. It solves two problems at once, gives you a place to sit while putting on your shoes, and hides all the clutter underneath. Coats, bags, toys, it all disappears. The entryway stays spotless. It's the kind of product customers will beg you to customize to the exact dimensions of their hallway. Rustic coffee table with hairpin legs. It sits dead center in the living room. It's the very first thing guests see. Solid wood with natural grain, live edges, and metal hairpin legs. Contrast, personality, it's the exact kind of piece people search for on Etsy when they want something that simply doesn't exist in big box stores. If you made it this far, congratulations, truly. Right now, you're probably asking yourself, how do I actually get started? I've put together a completely free ebook with 50 beginner-friendly products, over 400 pages of step-by-step plans, exact dimensions, and materials lists. The link is down in the description and pinned in the top comment. Download it right now and start today. And if you want to take this to the next level and build a real woodworking business, there is a massive collection with over 16,000 ready-to-build plans, detailed blueprints, precise measurements, projects to sell, for your home, or to give as gifts. That link is also in the description. You already have the ideas, now you have the roadmap. The first step is entirely up to you. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, do it right now. It's totally free, and every new video could be the exact idea you've been looking for.